Yo, yo, yo. Get it. Yo, yo, yo. That shit just gasses me up every time I watch it. I'm like, damn, man. You edited that shit like a pro. Yo, members only private live stream. Let's get it. Danny B in the house. Crypto Beehive. Brian, what up? Crypto Rick, what up? Derek, what up? Barry, what up? Vince, what up? Crypto Crash Farmer. Now we're getting a packed house. Rofields, what up? E Rich, what up? Brian, what up? JC, what up? Let's go, baby. Let's trade this crypto. It's so nice being on these private live streams and not having to worry about saying this shit's not for entertainment. Don't have to worry about if I'm shitting on ETH. Who in here is holding who in the live stream's holding on to Cardano? 0 people. Let's go, baby. You guys ready to have a good ass time? Let's get it. Let's get this crypto. Let's share these screens, baby. We in for some pain, boys and girls. It's gonna be painful. That's where I get on here with you guys. Like, you guys know, like, I suck at trading, right? Don't copy my trades. Like, I don't have to say that to you guys. You guys just know better, you know? So it's nice when to get on here and not have to worry about any of that garbage, right? Yeah, I still got another at 33,500. I still got another buy order on there for Bitcoin. Looking like we might get it filled now too. So ticked off at myself for, well, I'm not ticked off. It hit my take profit, so I can't be that mad, but I don't think we're even close to bottom right now. Let's take a look at the world markets and see how the USA markets are looking. We'll plan accordingly. Yo, Joe, what up? Arlo, what up? Derek, what up? Good to see y'all. Good to see y'all. I heard you signing on before you hopped on. Let's go, baby. Moment of truth. BTC, will it hold? Highly doubt it. I don't think so. Let's take a look at the USA markets and get a good idea of where we're at. Holy shnikes, the S&P's down 140 points. 30K incoming, baby. It looks like it 811 points on the Dow. They melting down, baby. Finally. So I wonder if we're gonna, it doesn't look like Bitcoin will hit 36K before it hits my next target. But I had to adjust them one time, not gonna lie. I adjusted these yesterday. Or 2 days ago. I thought we'd have been down to, I thought I was one up from this. So I thought that this rung was gonna put us at 36. but it's holding up so much better than I thought it was going to. Psychotech, what up, homie? And Kadena is holding up better than I thought it was gonna. Right, we're just coming down for a double bottom. Like we might, there's a probability that we bounce right here. Like if there was a key area where, you know, the S&P might bounce, it would be there. But I doubt it's going to. I mean, it bounced once, bounced twice, bounced 3 times. Tried to rally, just got rejected like, whoa. And now we're back down here at the same point. But we've been down to these same points before, right over here. I was thinking the same thing. I was like, yep, here, this is it. This is the time. We're coming down. And then boom, rallied all the way for like the next 6 months. So all right, so maybe we just try to scalp some of these plays. I mean, this is hot, guys. Like if we reverse here, we're reversing here. So I want to take a long so bad there, because if it does stop there, if the S&P stops for a second, Bitcoin's gonna rip. But if the S&P comes down, it's gonna come down farther. So guys, literally don't take these trades. I'm still up so much money. I could easily piss away money. It doesn't bother me, you know. I was like, man, how did I lose like almost $2,000? I forgot I doubled this up, so I got another $2,300 long on Kadena. Let's go, baby. And I got another $500 limit buy order on Kadena down at $4.11 or $4.10. And I'm making funding. I'm making funding every day because the funding rate's positive on Kadena right now. And I got a $2,000 4x long, and I'm earning 0.1%. Nope, never mind. I would have thought the Kadena market would have been bearish. I thought negative funding would have been negative. So I'm paying funding right now. But I still think I'm going to try to snag along. I mean, we are right at bottom. Stewie the Crazy, what up, homie? Missed yesterday's live, had withdrawals. We were live like 4 times yesterday. Glad you made this one, man. Glad you made it. Man, it's like so hard to get this thing perfectly sized here. There we go. All right, let's get back onto Bitcoin. It's just so hard wanting to long Bitcoin right here because it's such a good spot to long it. Like if we turn around right here, we're gonna rally. Should have held that short on ApeCoin too. Bitcoin wants to rally, man. What are we on the 4 hour? We're bottomed out. Bullish divergence on the 4 hour. Literally bullish divergence on the daily. Bullish divergence on every freaking time frame. But it can't support itself without the S&P, so it's like, I don't know if I want to say you're throwing money away, but taking a long at Bitcoin right now is kind of a little risky. But you know, if it does rally here, like it almost makes me want to just wait for it to get right to bottom. Like we're probably gonna push down a little bit more, and I feel like I should be putting in like 100 Xers here. Not really 100 Xers, but I'm gonna try to do a couple $100 crazy. Let's have some fun. Because if I don't go big enough and I hit one, I won't take profits. I'll just end up losing my money on it. So I'm so much better off just literally going pretty heavy here. Just trying to throw $100 with a tight stop loss, hoping we rally. I can never see what I'm typing in there. That's not what I wanted to do, gosh damn it. Shit. That's definitely what I wasn't wanting to do. I got a $100 50x, but that's not what I wanted. I wanted to do a $200 50x or 150. But I also wanted to set a limit order a little bit lower because I thought we were going to come down a tad bit lower. So my entry position is 37,900 something. And I still think we're going to come lower. Oh, that's okay. I'll add a limit. I'll add a... What's my liquidation price? 37,400. So since I wanted to do 200, I'll limit into the next one. But it might, you know, one big wick will take me right out of the trade. So this one's kind of like Russian roulette. This is why dumb money, guys. This is what you guys don't want to do. This is so dumb money. All right, so I got another limit buy order just below that. This is exactly perfect training, guys. Exactly what not to do. It's horrible investing decisions. But it's fun as hell, man. I have such a blast trading. Especially when I don't, like, when I know I just have fun money, you know, that ape short, yeah, the ape short really, like, I knew smart me should have cashed that out, put $2,000 in Kadena, not look back. Said I only put like 500 in Kadena. Now we're sitting here at the rest, and I'm down to 3,300, and that was almost $5,000 the other day. So, or it was over $4,000 the other day. Just want to keep stacking, baby. It is so tasty, Stewie. Isn't it awesome, man? It's so fun when you're in an asset, and that's what I like being in the public or in the privates so much more, because you guys get it, man. Like, I don't have to re-explain myself. Why is Kadena keep coming down? Why is Kadena keep coming down? I feel so bad because I just answer like such an asshole most of the time, and I always forget that people don't understand, you know? I forget there's new people that just heard about crypto yesterday and are coming in these live streams asking, you know, normal questions, and I feel like it's just trolls asking the same thing over and over and over. Stacking and chilling, baby. There's a ABC setup if Bitcoin goes about to 3870. What time frame you on? You on the 15-minute? I don't trade the ABCs because to me there's always an ABC, and I don't like entering trades after, like, I'm entering Bitcoin, I'm legit trying to get an absolute bottom, right? A lot of times the ABC setup, you're so far away from a really good entry point to me. It seems crazy to want to try to take one based off of, you know, market structure versus, you know, just your RSI readings. Like, it's a lot easier for me to tell when I'm at bottom than it is to just look at a market structure and go, right? Like, I got no business taking a trade, in my personal opinion, if RSI is in a no trade zone. Whether it's the greatest ABC setup or not, I can never trade that. I tried it quite a few times, and I don't know if it's too because I'm not watching the charts all the time, but I cannot trade winning trades off the ABC setups, no matter how hard I try. And I guess I don't really try because it just doesn't make sense to me to, like, if this was an ABC setup, this is an ABC setup, right? I don't want to wait till here to start shorting it, even though it's a good short. And I guess it does show you that, like, the momentum is leaving the market in a way, so maybe there is some logical sense to that. but I'm always trying to get in at peak. You know, I don't like shorting a trade when I'm, you know, that's 1.5%. That's my stop loss. You know, so instead of entering the trade at the A, I can enter it here, put in the same stop loss, and then technically I'm not losing on that trade until we get up to here. Versus you're getting stomped out of the trade when you're coming up back up to my entry position. That's why I don't trade the ABCs. Charles, I'm on the 1 hour. Elijah goes, Kite's ABCs is 2 and 4 hour. 15 minutes is too risky. I was going to say, I always watch Kite trading off the 15 minute. And on the 15 minute, I see it right here. I see the one you're talking about. And the market's always going to make an ABC. There's literally almost never not an ABC. Because you're always rising, retracing, rising, retracing. So you're always going to be putting the, you know, that pattern in. And this looks like your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. I trade Elliott waves better than I trade anything else. And it's always that third leg that I like the most. Yeah, Crypto Beehive, but like again, guys, don't take my trades. I'm okay with losing the money. You know, I'm just on here because I wanted to have fun and try to. This is a really good position. You know, there's a very high probability we're coming to the downside, but if we're not, everything's at bottom right now. So I don't know what was hot last time. GMT, ApeCoin was pretty hot. I could see those coins popping off again. What's step in GMT? So BNB's at bottom. Everything's at bottom. Everything's printing bullish divergence, and these are the most dangerous positions. These are also when we used to make a lot of money, because I would do some dumb money shit and throw $1,000 on longs right here with really high leverage and just let it rip. ETH will probably pop off too. But ETH's so volatile. I mean, oh, look at ETH with the double bottom right there on the 15. I'll try to snag one on ETH. This is high, guys. Don't follow these trades, man. Yeah, Ethereum's looking great right there. Just sucks because everything's at bottom, and you can see it right there. So you got your bullish divergence on a 15. You just double bottom there, and you're putting in lower lows on RSI. You're blown through the 30. I mean, the market's bottomed out. It doesn't mean it can't bleed out farther, but things are at bottom right now. You're gonna have to move that S&P quite a decent amount. And it's had a lot of pain today, so I don't know how much more it can free fall. Don't trade Elliott waves. No, I don't trade it. I just like the structure of them. And I'm only looking for that fifth leg, which would be the same thing as an ABC. Right? Like you can see it really clear as day right here. Your 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Kai would say that this is your A, B, C. Same difference. These are the legs I like the most. The fifth legs. Right here. Because you got such beautiful 1, 2, 3, 4. You've completed 4 out of 5 legs. So statistically, the probability of the fifth leg hitting a target, I guess statistically, is the highest probability of being successful is your fifth leg up. Like, I'm not confident enough with the ABC setup to be like, and I hate using stop losses. That's probably one of my biggest. Like this ETH trade, I have no business. If price falls below 27.89, I need to get out of that trade. And I normally don't trade like this, but I'm going to today. Yeah, so I got my stop loss on ETH. Trading so hard. I don't know how people do this shit for a living. No, I wouldn't say hard, but it's just so time consuming. And I think to myself, like, I know what indicators are and how indicators work. And I know that you can create a bot to trade any pattern or anything you want, any strategy, as long as you're using indicators or something that's giving you a digit on a chart or some type of indicator on a chart, you can trigger that to code in a bot. So like if I was smart enough, I just think to myself, I would just be sitting here creating my own bot, like my own trading bot based off a strategy. And I would just sit here and play with strategies until I found one that was consistently winning. And then I would just turn the bot on and just let it trade my strategy. Like, I don't know why Kite, it blows my mind that Kite doesn't do it, because you got a legit strategy, Kite. Like, he talks about taking his emotions out of it all the time. If you're gonna take your emotions out of it, just, you know, let your bot rip. And if your bot even makes you 5%, you know, you have an unlimited, not an unlimited budget, but, you know, if you give your bot $1,000 and it's making you 5% a month, give it 10,000, 20,000, 50,000. And then you're still making more money than you would. And then you take all that time that you spend sitting at these charts and you use it to make more money. If I had a system I thought would work, shit. Mining Doge to buy KDA. I almost feel guilty. Let's go, baby. I'm mining Ethereum right now to buy Bitcoin, so I was trying to tell Monk to how do I have 206? Oh, sorry, I'm out to. There we go. All right, sorry, I had to stop Twitter because it was lagging. All right, so we got a Bitcoin one in, good spot. What else might rally? Ape's been really hot, man. I wouldn't be putting it past Ape to run up, and it did again. You bastard, no way. I'm so pissed at myself for missing that one. So I nailed this Ape short here. I was like, oh, perfect, right? Even Kites would have been proud of me. ABC'd it, but I nailed it at the peak before the ABC played out. So I got into this Ape short like right here. And I was like, oh, Gucci, baby. I was like, maybe it'll spike up one more time, just getting busy like I normally do. So I set another limit up here. I think I was at like 100 here. And then I put another 100 up here. And the fucker came up, filled this one, and then took me out. And then took me out. Or sorry, it filled it. I hit this one right here and I set another one like right here. And I think it spiked up, filled it, and then took me out on both of them. And now I'm just sitting at that point where like, damn, I want to get into another long on this, but it's pretty damn close to its all-time high. I can't tell if it's gonna pump or if it's gonna shit the bed. Yo, Rope Fields, what up, what up? UC and New York might stop mining Bitcoin? I thought they already put a squash to that, Robosh, or Ro. I thought they vetoed that a day ago or 2 days ago, yesterday sometimes. Mr. Doc Rocks, what up, homie? I'm back. Let's go, baby. Crash, what up? Don't stay in a long any more than a day right now. Probably great advice, my friend. Probably great advice. That's why I'm using higher leverage so I can just get out of these. Alphabet shares fall after quarterly earnings reveal showing revenue growth. The worst thing, well, New York's different because of the big cities, you know, but nah, it's such a bad thing for your economy, especially when governments need money. Like, let's ban something super profitable that can make us a lot of money. So stupid. Let's like, you see people like burning like the oil and the natural gases off those off the oil refineries and stuff like that, and just like, yep, all that wasted energy, you know, we could use that to legit mine Bitcoin with it. The old Ryan. Which one? Which old version of my alter egos that you want back? I don't know why I want to trade this shitcoin, right? I'm much better off just trading something like Bitcoin or Ethereum. I actually think we're gonna get a little rally here, but you know, could be me. Could be. Look at VeChain already back down to 5 cents. They gonna be holding for a long time, man. VeChain's down to 5 cents. Those people, I think VeChain's one of the ones that has seen its all-time highs. Wonder how much more we're going down. Should I start shorting some shit too? Heck yeah, Crash. Heck yeah, homie. I wish they had VRA on Bybit, man. That would be a fun one to trade. It's hard to really trade anything. I mean, everything in the market's at bottom, you know? Like, even Solana's actually looking bullish. Like, Solana's the only one that's actually putting in higher highs still. And you double bottom on RSI, Solana might rip. Hell, if I see Solana come down to 94 something, I might take a long on that. All right, so we take a long on Solana. If we come down to 93.75, it sucks because, you know, like I want to short everything, but there's just nothing outside of just my emotions that tell me to short, you know? Everything on the charts is telling me to long, which unfortunately it sucks, but look at the S&P just dump, 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 dump city. Drew, what up? Thank you guys for hitting that like button, man. I appreciate that big time. What happened, Blue? Your friend's son sold his house and put it all in on VeChain. The way Ryan is about KDA, this kid was about VeChain. Holy shnikes. When was that, Blue? Oh yeah, I sold my 401k, man. I cashed that sucker out 100%. I don't even know what fees I paid. It was a lot. I was like, if I watch it go down, what's the difference? If I watch it go down by 50% or I just pay, you know, 25% extra in penalties or whatever, I was like, screw it. My thought was like, I'm young enough to where if I like messed up and it didn't work out, I still had enough time to go back to work. And then I realized, I was like, wait, retire? Like I was adding up how much money I would have to put in my 401k at with the rate of inflation and the cost of living and how expensive everything was. And I was like, shit, my dad's worked his whole life in unions and like when he had to work till he was 65. And even now he's still working just because I think you're old and he wants to work. But at the same time, like he's retired and he went and got a job, I think just because he's bored. But, you know, my mom's still working because she can't retire for another year. So taking out a loan on your 401k, paying yourself back, I've done that before. Yeah, borrowing money from yourself is always the best. High leverage long, low leverage short, for sure. The S&P be dumping. She be dumping. And this is what I say, like how many people that have their money in their 401ks, like if people keep getting devastated and this keeps coming down and people are watching their 401ks depreciate by they're like with how overinflated this market was and how pumped up this was. This is what Joe was talking about in the public live. We were talking about like what options do the feds have right now? Well, they would love to turn that printer on because this wouldn't happen. And this is making the election, the officials look bad. Inflation's at all-time highs. You know, the market's just tanking. Eventually, they're going to reverse course. Because this is going to put some big players in bankruptcy. I don't know how. Like, I don't know how every big player doesn't have somebody on their team that was telling you to get out of this market. I mean, maybe if you listen to Kathy Wood's investing advice, you'd be pretty wrecked right now. Wasn't our portfolio down like 60% or 80% or something like that? When she was telling us that inflation was just transitory. That Kathy Woods lady, she's goofy, man. I don't know how she's made all that money. And then Raul Paul, man, he's something else too. I don't know what that dude, like I hate being that YouTuber that goes, I wonder what they had to pay him, you know? But I really wonder like how much XRP Or maybe Raul's Paul's friends with somebody that works at XRP. Squeezing every damn corner right now, man. I hear you. Yeah, that's nice, Optimus. That's really nice. Definitely don't own your BTC, but, you know, tax-free money going into Bitcoin is a beautiful thing, man. Yeah. That's huge for Fidelity. Everybody that has that option at Fidelity should take advantage of it, in my opinion. Like that alone right there could get you out of the rat race. Like I would have taken, if I had that option when I did it, shit. ETH Maxi, yep. Yes, sir, Drew, they are, man. $244 million, yeah. $244 million worth of liquidations in the last 12 hours. How many of that was on crypto.com, Drew? Does it say? I agree, Ryan. I agree. They're going to all come in and they're just going to pump the channel, you know? We should have the... I can't wrap my head around it, man. I really can't. I don't know what I'm doing wrong or what I'm doing not right. I don't know why the YouTube algorithm is like... My videos are trending. The edits are fire. The quality is there. The message is getting delivered. I don't know how. These other channels have hundreds of thousands and I have 80. It blows my mind, man. What are all the maxis? I was trying to make that earlier. You guys watch a lot of these YouTubers. What are like say B-Boy, right? What are all these guys shilling you guys? Like we know Big Boy's what? He's XRP, ADA, AVAX, Cello, and Costa. What are all the other YouTubers out there shilling right now? I definitely don't shill Hopium, man. I can't stand shilling Hopium. Like, even looking at Flux, guys. Like, Flux should be the perfect example. Freaking love the coin. I can't even shill Flux to people. Like, I legit stopped making videos on Flux because everything I said about Flux, like, didn't even make sense. Like, I want to go back and delete my old Flux videos because it just, like, it was so off from what I thought Flux was. Like, that Flux Vortex video, I laugh at it, man. I'm like, wow. That's so misleading and misconception. And like the interview with Dan where he was telling us that like Flux was going to have NFTs and they're going to have a layer ones and DeFi and all this shit. I'm like, how did I believe that? Like, what was I thinking? Oh, they're so hard to sell like this, man. That's the worst part about it. And what sucks is that like most of these things that people are selling now, if the market turned around right now, chances are with how Kadena is getting suppressed by all these exchanges, it's not going to move. So I got BitBoy. What are the other big influencers that you guys watch? Like, what is Crypto R Us shilling? Or what do the Moon Boys shill? What is Carl the Moon shill? I don't watch any of them, so I don't know unless you guys tell me. But I'd like to know, like, what is everybody else shilling? We'll start with Carl the Moon. What does he shill? Oh, you know what? We can probably use Lunar Crush. Fuck it. So the Moon Boys shilling Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, Cardano, and Costa. Coins mentioned frequently. Looks a lot like BitBoy. Bitcoin, Chainlink, Ethereum, XRP. What is that? The hell is that thing? Bitcoin 2? What is Bitcoin 2? What is he shilling now? What the fuck is Bitcoin 2? Has anybody heard about a Bitcoin 2? Bitcoin 2 describes itself as a scalable Bitcoin snapshot fork that supports private transactions through the zero coin protocol and nearly instantly verifies payments through master nodes. According to the team, the size of Bitcoin's block was pruned from around 150 gigs in February of 2018 to less than 1.5 gigs for Bitcoin 2. This reportedly allows new nodes to get started much faster. This is the shit I'm talking about, man. What the fuck do we need a Bitcoin 2 for? Oh, sounds like you know who's gonna be shilling that next. Jeez, oh Pete's. Huh, how much stake cube does Bitcoin own? Who else is there? Who else is promoting these projects? Crypto R Us. Yeah, there we go. Crypto R Us. So his is Bitcoin VeChain, Zilliqa, Solana, and he's shilling Bitcoin 2 too. XRP, Doge, and ApeCoin. It's like the same thing as BitBoy. Bitcoin, ETH, Solana. No, VeChain. He's got VeChain in there. Ethereum. Wrecking people, man. Oh, he's not showing it, just making fun of it. What about Doge? He hates XRP. George hates XRP. Good man. Are all those other ones accurate? ApeCoin, Dogecoin. Pomp's talking about Bitcoin too? Where is this Bitcoin 2 coming from? Oh, Bitcoin 22 conference. That might be it. And this is so cool that you can actually see what people are promoting. George loves VeChain. Yeah, he's got 88% of his tweets are about Bitcoin. Does George have ApeCoin? Which ape I get? Ape's a metaverse coin ran by some big VCs. Connected to the most baller. Look at Banner, good call. So VeChain Zilliqa he talks about. I'm just let's see. Kadena, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Flux, no idea what that is. Lunar, Solana, Flux, Zill. I got 45 more. Look at that shit. I ain't promoting, baby. I'm pumping the gosh damn algorithm. I'm tagging everything. He also did talk about Matic. I mean, what coin are these guys like regular? Like, what are they saying are good coins to buy? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Y'all see me, I'm tagging everything in this bitch. Lunar, I tag just because I want to be #1 on Lunar Crush, so I always tag them. Kadena, Bitcoin, ETH, I just get the tags. ADA, I'm always making fun of. Flux, I love. I don't even know what this thing is. What is that? Oh, Coin Metro Exchange. Yeah, Coin Metro. The fuck? Only 89% of people think I make good content? What the fuck? Oh, I probably got like the... Holy shit, look at that. I probably got like one of the biggest coin list here. Shill shades on, baby. You shilling everything. Depends on the day of the week, baby. Let's check out Banner. You guys know what Banner's Twitter is? There it is, Crypto Banner. So he's doing, it looks like Bitcoin, Terra, Phantom, ETH, Rune, Cardano, Solana, Ape, AVAX, and Near. Dogecoin, looks like he's talking about, what is that? Will Smith INU. Looks like another shitcoin, XRP, FTX, Render. But I don't know if he's just tagging them. That's why I was asking you guys for help. You guys watch these guys. Which ones are what are their favorite coins? Do you know? Yeah, because like when I start these live streams, it's nice because I get to share out the post. But then I can also come in here and I can go into like my output settings. Like if I wanted to start up a Twitter live right now, I come in here and I just put money signs. Like it says money sign KDA, BTC, Flux, Matic, ADA. Like those are just like my default settings. Every time I go live, half the time I don't even realize what I got typed in there. And then Facebook's the same way, but Facebook doesn't count. I don't think they're taking tags on Facebook. I think that's all correlated data from Twitter, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, who did Donkey Finance? Oh, yeah, there you go, Carl. There we go. That's what I wanted to hear. Does what's his name like Crypto R Us? Who else? What was somebody saying about Crypto R Us? He doesn't like XRP. He doesn't shield Costa. George also a fan of Link. Link and AVAX. I know I heard him say AVAX was good the other day. Alright. And Banter. Banter has got some. I know. That's like the number one when people talk smack about somebody. It's always Banter. So I know he's got to be shilling you garbage. Carl says Banner did Soul, Monkey Balls. Costa. Donkey. What else?
I'm blowing a pack of that OG. Don't be acting like you know me. And if you did, that's the old me. When it's time, rock a cold fleece. Pocket fat.
Matic AVAX.
Only talking money if it's increased. She give me brain, girl, no teeth. I touch down, bust down. She busted open for a real nigga. Stay Tommy'd up, trying to build it up, trying to count it up, hill figures. Don't be chillin' with no lil niggas. And if I do, I be real with them. Chase a dream, that's a meal ticket. ISO gang, yeah, they still with us. I put it in motion, they got me steady. Thoughts on my mind, it's weighing heavy. Watch how I shine, tell them I'm ready. I'm hitting my stride, let's get to the Fetty. I was just sitting back watching them.
Sunny. Rune, Sunny. Banter equals Phantom. Phantom.
Watch me isolate, watch me isolate, hey, watch me isolate. Clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on.
CTO Larson, I give him credit for apologizing, man, but he came out hating on Kadena, talking out of his ass. No clue what he was even talking about. I had to go through about 200 DMs with that douchebag's video in there. Hey, did you see this? Hey, did you see this? Hey, did you see this? I sure did, man. I sure did. I loved when Crypto Granny called him out and she took a screenshot. She's like, sometimes the only thing you can say to Kadena is I'm sorry. Like, yep. That's it. Yeah. CTO Larson shat on all of us Kadenas. Right here, Kadena, no thanks. I tried it. Surprised. And then this dude over here, CTO Larson and Invest Answers. Is that dork's name? Get off the train now. BTC, ETH, Luna, BNB, Sol, ADA. Whoa. Look at that. Altcoin Daily, my favorite unrevealed altcoins. Avalanche, Kadena, DeFi Kingdoms. Wow. Altcoin Daily's coming around. You hear that? Altcoin Daily. And they are getting pink pilled one at a time. Pomp is the best, man. Pomp is the best. Cheeky's a shiller for sure. Yep. All these guys are, man. I hope to join them one day. Who's Joe? Crypto Dose in here is pumping out more Kadena content. That's what I like to see, baby. Yep, Adrian White says it. Like you said before, man, they all probably buying KDA and they'll be shilling it when they have enough of it, right? It's cool because they can't not talk about it, right? Like nothing's worse than buying into an altcoin. Nothing's worse than buying into an altcoin or any coin for that matter, and price going down and you having no idea if you're ever going to get your money back. And I can't look at any of these coins and be confident. Like Matic, I can be pretty confident in. Solana, I should be confident in. Luna, definitely very confident in short term. But you never know. Who? Joe Perry?
These two NFTs were bought for 2.5 Ethereum each, which was approximately $7,399. And just 1 week later, they were both sold for over $1
If you're trying to lose belly fat, stop doing cardio. This sounds backwards, right? Well,
Video games and gaming is a billion-dollar industry. If I had 10,000 to start with, 3,000 would go into Axie Infinity.
April 21st. That was last week. There won't be much price movement in it. How can you? I don't get it, man. I don't get it. He knows about it. He knows about Kadena because he's been on BitBoy's show. I'm sure it's all they're talking about. Because you got to look at, like, from like a logical market actor standpoint, you have to look at Kadena like if you're in this game to make money, you can't not look at Kadena and go, ooh, I have to have some of that. You have to have it in your portfolio. $7,559. What's that? Nightmare. And the crazy part is these guys have enough clout and a big enough network to move the market. You know what I'm saying? Like when you look at Lunar Crush and you see BitBoy and Banner and all these guys talking about the same exact coins, they're gonna move the market, right? Like if BitBoy and everybody apes into one of these new Nightmare, for example, and they all ape in together, they're gonna drive price up, you know? Hopefully, I don't know how long, like how long do you think it's gonna take for people to really realize these things? Yo, Dean, what up? What up? You got your first 1K? Let's go, homie. Let's go. Did anybody not get a number? Did anybody not get to pick a number yet? 1 through 100, we're still working on filling. So if you have above a 199, like if you're in levels 1, 2, or 3, when we do our airdrops, I need to get numbers from you guys. So if you're in tiers 1, 2, or 3, I need to get your numbers from you guys for the airdrops. Jessica B, 84 I think is taken if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 84 is taken. Bear. Let's snag that last 15 there. The Bear Jew. The bear in the house. What up? Everything's taken under 35, guys. So and don't tell me your number twice, guys. That you get to pick one number, and these are permanent numbers forever. So everything's taken under 35, guys. So these are only. Let's restart. Let's restart. So just people that haven't picked a number already. Mr. Doc Rocks, didn't you pick one yesterday? No. Mr. Doc Rocks is 81. Elizabeth wants 73. $51. Who just had 51? Simran. Jessica B. Stewie the Crazy, 66. 66 taken, Stu. .38's taken, Carl. DJ, you got 54. Dana, California. Crypto Realtor, what up, what up? Pac-Man's got 69. Crypto Granny, they picked your number for you last night. They said you wanted 13. Do you want to give up 13 for 68? Rick saved 13 for you. Said that was your number. Carl, you're good. Carl, you got whatever number you picked, I think. Maybe not, maybe not. Carl said you don't care. How about I just fill in the list? So I'll give you 36, Carl. Carl, what's your last initial? Stewie the Crazy, 63. Adrian White. White, 77. Jose. Martinez. — 69's taken, my friend. Teach Yourself wanted 85. There you go, Crypto Granny. 13 got you. Paul, I think 36 taken. I think we're above 36 now. Yeah, I got 39 and then 44, 45. Monisser, yep. There's no change in numbers, guys, so once they're in for life. Good with that, Carl? Yeah, for if you win the USDT ones, yeah. Because you got to have a T. I'm not going to pay $10 in gas to send, you know, $40 to somebody, but yeah. I guess I could send that to you and Ergo if you really wanted it, so as long as you got an Ergo address. Yeah, get a Bybit account, man, yeah. It's so much easier that way. Because I'm going to run out of Ergo anyway, so I won't have any more Ergo, so yeah, you're going to need one. Oh. Joe wants 45. Joe's 45's taken. I got a 44 if you want it. Paul's 36. Yep, Paul, you're 36? Did I not record that yesterday? For some reason, some of them disappeared from yesterday, but Paul Haynes. Sorry, Carl, I gotta give you a new one. Paul Head is in there yesterday. Yep, sorry, man. So, Carl, you got 39. You can't give it to me, no, man. You said 44 now? Alright, 44 it is, man. Joe said 45. I got 48 and above. I got 48, 49, 53, 55. Yeah, they've already been taken, Vince. Unless, well, if you picked yesterday. Yeah, Rick got 12 yesterday, a long time ago. You missed the airdrop? Which one? As long as you're in, as long as you're a level 1, 2, or 3, as long as you're not a level 0, you guys are all eligible. So, we haven't done one yet today. We'll do them at night, so. I'm just getting everybody's numbers so that we have them ready to go for tonight, because it's time consuming. But once I get everybody's numbers in, when somebody just gets in here and they go, oh, hey, who doesn't have a number yet? They'll say their name and I'll just assign them the next number up the list. So you guys get to pick your numbers. Just try to stay under 100 right now, because then I'm going to go to 125. That way when I draw numbers, I don't have to choose through 1 through 1,000, you know? 48, my man, you got it, homie. You got it, Vince. And Crypto Realtors want 58. Yeah, Road Fields. I had like 50,000 stuck on there at one time. Yeah, like master ceremonies for sure. So everybody's got a number that's in here so far. TH 36 is taken, my man. I got a 49, 53. I got a lot of numbers up high. We do Ergos and USTs. I got like $3,000 something left at Ergo I'm giving away to you guys. And then doing $50 to $100 depending on. We're doing 50s right now. We get a few more people signed up. I don't know how much money I'm going to lose, so I'm trying to see how much I'm going to lose this month. If I'm not live, I'm not getting new signups on Bybit, so it's hard. Justin, you got it, homie. 71, TH in the house. TH, 71. And Justin wants 62. Ah, you got it, Justin. Yep, so how the giveaways work, we have 3 tiers. If you're in the level 1 tier and you win, it's whatever the giveaway is. So we do $5 ergos, we do $10 USTs. If you're in level 2 and you win, you have a 2x multiplier. And if you're in level 3, you have a 5x multiplier. So the people that support the most win the most. But my goal is to help try to get everybody, you know, their money back, you know. Yeah, I got you for the Bybit. 1 second, Carl. Yep, and I don't know what your guys' portfolio looks like, but Bybit's giving away $3,000 right now for first-time deposit bonuses. So if you're, you know, in a really good position, you got a Bybit, you know, or a Bitcoin in your wallet, you could literally deposit the Bitcoin and get, I don't know if it's 1 Bitcoin, $1,500 or something like that. But you can always create a second account and do it again as well, so. In theory, in reality, like you guys could win a $50 airdrop and then go create a new Bybit account with a new email. And then when I send you that $50, you're going to get the $50 plus whatever the first time deposit bonus is. So that might be another way for you guys to make even more money if you want. I wonder if people do that. Like, I wonder what's stopping you from creating an account, sending over like $5,000 to deposit on Bybit. JC, what up, homie? Yes, yep, the Bybit one, yep. Yeah, I don't know what Bybit. I think I thought I used to get 20 bucks, but it's looking like I only get 10 bucks now when people sign up. And I think they have to deposit too. So it's nice. Like if I give away 50 bucks, at least I'm getting like 10 of it back, you know, because I'll get a $10 bonus when you guys sign up or whatever, or when they deposit. So I'm not losing as much. But it's like nobody's really trading anymore. I don't know many people that trade. It's such a hard game to be consistently profitable trading. Yeah, we can do one right now if you guys want. Do an ergo one. I got some ergo to spare. Yeah, Jose, I always do. I just connect to Canada, and I choose and Nord is my go-to. But you can go like Google hide my IP and just choose Canada or any of the free ones. There's tons of free ones out there. I use Nord. Kadena, Britton, you the man, homie. Yeah, let's do it right now. All right, you guys ready? Tech 72, let's see. Tech got it. Nice grab, homie. No, Tech, no, we're already above. We're at like 40. I think we're already up. We got everything above 49, 53, but you got that one at 72 for sure. Dan Ellis, what number are you? Were you in the live stream last night? Yeah, Dan Ellis, you're 20. Okay, cool. How the digis rocking, homie? All right, you guys ready? $5 ergo airdrop goes to 34. Number 34 in here. Jari, what up, homie? We got Jari in the house. What up, Jari? Jari, didn't you win last night too? Yo, let's go. What did you win Ergo last night or did you win UST? Yeah. I'm lagging. Yeah, it's the 5 p.m. guys. I'm gonna have to get let me get that address, Jari. I'll have to catch up with you guys here later on tonight. All the kids are off school right now and playing Fortnite, so yeah. Sorry guys. We'll jump on here later. I'm still in that BTC long and I'm still in the Ethereum long. DM me. What's your Twitter, Jari? LTO just hit me up. Oh, it's pretty cool. I'm getting like a bunch of people message me like, thank you for giving right here. Just wanted to say you're the man and thanks for giving Kadena the exposure it needed. You got it, man. You got it, Jack. Yeah, it's this damn frickin', like YouTube tells me when it's lagging. Like I can see when they're having issues getting my info. And when I was streaming out to like 6 places, I had 229 drop frames, so I've only dropped 1 frame. I don't know if you guys can see that on here. But my program tells me when it's my program or when it's oh, that sucks. Oh, now I can't. Oh, there it goes. Yes, I got it. I was like, damn, I'll be stuck in there. What's your Twitter, Jari? I could have swore you messaged me with it last night, if I'm not mistaken. Kadena Kong's hit me up. Crypto Granny sold her kidney. Shit, yeah. You sold your long, Crash? I just moved my stops into the profit, so fuck it. Yeah, so if you guys are all in here, if you guys could just have your Ergo addresses ready and everything ready so you can just share them in the chat. You know, it's so much, it makes it so much simpler on me, guys. So if you guys want to win giveaways, you know, you got to be able to just give me your addresses when you win, please. So make sure you guys have Ergo addresses and USDT addresses moving in tonight. If not, we'll just pay it forward and whenever you get it ready. Ugh. Late here. Good night, Vince. Have a great night, homie. Kidney's getting sold off. That's scary. It don't look good for us. Moped equals buy more. Sold, buying more on Coin Metro. It'd be nice to see us go up from here. I would like it. I wouldn't mind nailing it along. Short little relief rally up to about 39. Kadena Kongs. Yeah, especially too if you guys are at work and you got me in the headphones and you guys win. Y'all guys got those addresses ready. What is your Phantom Ergo? I don't think so. Probably need a KuCoin Ergo address or a Ergo wallet address. Because I don't have any wrapped Ergo. Alright, Jai, my man, I got a few more minutes I can hang out. If not, I gotta get running, buddy. Probably selling a chicken at my table saw. Who needs them? I sold my couch once to buy more products. I was like, who the F needs a couch to sit on? Beautiful couch. Like one of those nice all leather. Crypto, sorry. Ah, got you now, got you now. All right, there you go, Jar. I sent the transaction to your DMs. Yeah. Dutch Kadena. What did they get blocked for? Elon owns it, but he ain't got control of that algorithm yet. I wouldn't get too free speechy yet. I'd wait till Papa E. It would suck to lose your account right before he took it over, and then maybe he says like, moving forward, you know, we're gonna have free speech, like we can't go back and change things that already happened, you know, and losing an account with 100,000 followers or something. That'd suck. You know what's cool about Twitter is like there's gonna be an obnoxious amount of shit posters on Twitter, but the cool part about Twitter is it's pretty decent at like putting content that you enjoy. So like if you just right click a post and say not interested or block, that's what I do when I see people shit posting. Like somebody's like, hey, will you unblock me from Twitter? I'm like, I either blocked you because you were blowing up my DMs for a reason. Like I don't just randomly block people, or just like the amount of shit posting that you're doing, I don't want to see. And because I've probably liked one of your posts, it just constantly shows it. Like Da Vinci, he's one of the Moon Boys. I don't want to see anything that dude's posting. Just block his ass. And that's all I do. Anytime there's a gambling, like a sports bet or anything like that I see gambling related, I instantly block it. Because if you don't, there's so many of these online casinos that just flood in your DMs. So I just keep blocking everything I don't want to see. And it actually has led to like my Twitter's not that shitty. Well, it probably is now because I just followed like 100. I just followed everybody, but it was nice. And I'll do that and I'll just go through and clean it up until I only see posts from people that I want to see, you know? I wonder how many people here are going to work for, like, I wonder how many people in our squad are going to end up working at Kadena or for Kadena. Probably a lot, man. Like, it's going to be such a thriving ecosystem and such a good company to probably work for long term. And imagine getting paid in Kadena. Like, every week you get paid, you just hold it. Yo, Christy Cole, I don't think I got a number for you. Christy? I got 49, 53, 55, 56, 57, 59, 61, 64. Let's go, Rick. Let's go, homie. Shit. Y'all got it easy with me retweeting and sharing your posts now. And then you get each other's piggybacking from each other. Shit, you know how long it's going to take to get to 1,000 without help from everybody? Oh, man. It took me 2 years to get to 1,000. I wasn't really trying, but long ass time. It's taking me forever to get to 10,000. There you go, teach yourself. There you go, homie. I'm already learning how to code impact and enjoying every step of the way, baby. Let's go, teach. Y'all are guys. Those who are hungry enough to go teach themselves packed. Like if I didn't have any ability to make more than 3,500 Kadena, you bet your fucking ass I'd be coding in packed. 100%. If I didn't have the ability to work an extra 40 hours and I was at home, shit. That's what we do, Christy. That's what we do. Grind hard. I'm too dumb to work smart. Yeah, Ryan gets it. I post on a lot on Twitter. That's it, man. It's like everybody wants something fast, like we all want. Like I want 100K followers on Twitter, right? I just know outside of buying them. Oh, okay, Christy. Yeah. If you guys aren't in the airdrops, don't worry about it. You don't upgrade. No, Christy. $9.99 works for you. Stay there. I just want to make sure you got a number if you were. How old's your son, Neo? Author, I don't Yeah, maybe if 75 is not taken. Yeah, buddy. Surprised that number wasn't taken. You got it. All right. DJ says, I've been on Twitter since 2014, but just started using it in 2021. Right with you, buddy. Right with you. I started mine back in 2000. I mean, I probably started mine back in 2014. What does it say? $2017. Yeah, so from 2017 to 2021 to get over 1,000. And then obviously when I started posting crypto stuff, but it still took me a long time. But I wasn't using Twitter, right? I was just sharing my content, my videos, sharing my videos. And then once I realized like everything was on Twitter and I started to mess with it, I was like, oh, wow, I've been missing out. I've really been missing out. Like everything in the crypto space revolves around Twitter. No, Neodag, we got 49 or above. You can see these are the numbers that we got left. Everything else is filled under 49. I don't either, Rick. I have no clue either, buddy. People are like, hey, did you get that? Did you get that? Did you get that? I tagged you. Did you see that tweet? And I'm like, no. I don't even know how to see tweets. Oh, right here. Those are pretty much all from the last, probably since we've been online. At 8 minutes. Those are all from the last 8 minutes, guys. I get tagged so damn much. I wish I could tag. I wish I seen all the tweets you guys did, man. I try so hard to reply to every comment. Oh, here's some mentions. Oh, no way. Oh man, I feel like I should hide from that tab. I got level 4. I do got level 4. That's the only reason I tagged that one too, because I wanted their level 4 access. That's such a good meme. Oh, somebody's gotta recreate that with Kadena. Y'all be slipping, man. And it should be like, ooh, look at that guy who owns 5 Kadena 2030. That guy's got 5 Kadena in his crypto wallet. That's really where it's at. The meme game is grimy. I would say the fastest way to grow. Like, those are the things that get retweeted the most, and that's what it's all about. Just how many times can you get a post retweeted in hopes that it goes viral. I wonder how many this got. This got 62 retweets.
Jesse, how have you been?
I've been...
Great. I'm back, and you're fired. Hello, all. No need to run. Your fates have already been sealed. You're safe.
Oh my God.
You're safe for now. Hello, nice to see you. Who's your best client?
I represent John and Kate Pussy.
Where are you, Davies?
All right, I'm already packing to save myself the indignity.
That's too bad.
Orange, Jesus Christ!
That's only got 1,000 views. Come on, man. Y'all guys can retweet the shit out of that. That should be going viral, man. Yo, what up, Digital Apollyon? Good to see you. What GOI? What is going to be with the CADX token? So we are buying into CADX because we believe in it. Then what will be the go with the CADX token we have previously mentioned? Sorry, say that again, Christy. Can you explain what the difference is going to be with the CADX token, with the KDX token? So we are buying into Kadena because we believe in it. Then what will be the go with the CADX token you have previously mentioned? CADX is just a DEX coin, Christy. So I didn't buy any CADX. I don't know if I'm going to. I might. Probability I probably will. Or I just might stake my Kadena and earn CADX and not have to buy any. Just depends. We don't really know what we're going to do with CADX until it launches. Don't know if it's going to be a good investment, smart investment, bad investment. I think it's going to be really good. But we'll have to see when they launch what their tokenomics look like, what, you know, price action looks like. Yeah, so CADX is going to be the go-to place. That's where we're going to generate passive income for the rest of our life, hopefully. If not, we'll use CADX to just swap assets and, you know, another DEX will come out. But, you know, CADX is also solving problems from a DEX that no other DEX has ever solved. And I would assume that CADX will be getting support from Kadena, so they'll probably have, you know, if they're smart, they'll have patents on whatever it is they create. Like, there's one really cool thing that I can't talk about that's not public yet. It's going to be really dope. You guys are really going to like it. It's unlike any other DEX we've ever seen before. It's going to have so many more features and so many more, you know, it's going to be badass. So, yeah, guys. All right, guys, I got to get running. I'll see you guys tonight in about 9:30 in the public, and then we'll go right into the private at 10. So, love you guys. Trade safe, fam. Thank you, guys. I'll see you guys tonight.